how to change the shape of an image on Wix. So we have in here this image, and if you want to change the shape of it, what you can do is you can head over and then just go and then double click on it. Now in here, you should be able to see in here a new page or a new option as well. Or you can just directly click on this change image option or edit image option right here. Now, once you have opened the photo studio on this particular image, you can see in here the option called crop and extend. So as of right now, the shape is actually a rectangle. Now you can change it to become square by clicking on the square option and then just selecting which part of it will include this particular figure. Once you have done that, just head over and click on save. And then after that, this will save it and it will show up on your website as a square instead of a rectangle option. Now in here, just head over and you can see. So in here, you can see the shape crop option as well. And then you can click on the shape crop in order to change out what it looks like. So that's how you change the shape of an image on Wix. Would be helpful.